Hey guys, it's me Kevin from Kevin's World, and today we're doing another makeup tutorial. I know guys, you guys in the comments and all my best fans are like saying, Kevin, do another makeup tutorial video. I'm like, okay. So today I'm going to do another makeup tutorial. The last time I did a makeup tutorial was in October, and I'm wearing the same shirt from it, so alright. So today my brother Chris is going to be picking my makeup. Well, he's going to be picking the design I'm doing. But first, every time we need to get our foundation, put it on your T-zone, your T's, your nose, and make it look better than James Charles and Kim Kardashian. I'm just saying.
But not Jeffree Star.
Alright. So first, you just want to just mix it in. So you want to get your beauty blender and just start mixing it up in there. And I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, so I just finished my foundation. It looks so good, right? Took me ever to do it. Alright, and Chris found a design for me to do. Alright, here's the design.
Oh, there's that design.
Okay.
Let me see it.
Swiggly eyebrows.
I am not shaving my eyebrows. Find a different one.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. This can be like a 3-minute makeup tutorial.
Okay.
Just do paint over your eyebrows.
Yeah. Make it to where you have no eyebrows. Color your whole skin, and then you just draw lines.
So I have to put on more foundation on my eyebrows. Okay, so I finished over my eyebrows. Okay, so first we want to start with the lips, and I promise I'll put the picture on top of the screen right here.
Okay.
So the lips will be like a weird, what color?
Purple.
Velvet. Okay.
Okay.
We don't have velvet, so we're gonna do purple. So I'm using purple, Booty Goo purple. See?
Okay.
And I'm using this purple brush to match.
Okay.
Alright. So the first we're gonna do is the lips. So it's kind of like a weird whoosh. Have you seen the live action Alice in Wonderland with Queen of Hearts?
Yes.
It's like that. So you want to add, it's kind of like a triangle on top. Okay. And it's kind of like a switch at the end. And I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, so I finished my lips. They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Yeah.
So what I'm gonna do next is the purple eyeshadow.
Ew, don't do that.
It don't taste good. Okay, purple eyeshadow. So just on your eyes. Ooh, it dried on the lips. It feels so weird. Alright, and I'll come back to you when I'm on the next side. Alright, so I finished my eyes. So next we need to do the eyebrow. Also we need to do the eyelashes and the eyebrows. But the eyebrows are super squiggly, so that'll be so much fun. It looks like a mustache above the eyebrows. You see? Alright, so we need to get the black out. I just finished using Booty Goo purple. Alright, now we're going to use our Booty Goo black. Alright, so next with this, you want to get a nice thin brush. Alright. Okay. Mm-hmm. Alright, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Cause that's more important. So I'm gonna do like pretend my eyebrows aren't there. So you're gonna do this. With that. Gorgeous. Ooh, what is that?
Oh my god.
But we have to make both sides even now.
No. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ow, my head.
See? You never know the difference. They're not fully touching.
Are you sure?
Yes, now the eyes.
The eyes? What?
It's on my eyeball.
Hold on. Oh my god. No.
Oh. Booty is pain.
Are you okay? We have eye drops. But you'll ruin your makeup.
It's either the eye or the makeup.
Alright, I'll come back to you when I'm done. You're ruining my makeup. I look so ugly. I look so ugly.
It's really not that bad. I mean, do you still have makeup in your eye?
I don't know. It's just so much.
Oh, you know, it's really not that bad.
Why am I so ugly?
You're not. You look pretty.
Chris, it's all your
It's
fault.
not my fault you look like a drag queen joker.
I'm sorry this turned out as such a fail. I don't know how to pay you guys back, but I hope you like and subscribe, share with your friends and family. I hope you like it. Okay, bye.
What happened there? Oh my god. Oh my god.